Hi there everyone, Life DIY Josie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Thrifty Thursday, when I do a throwback of one low budget idea every Thursday. Grab 6 Dollar Tree wooden signs. These are seasonal signs. However, you can get also at any home improvement store, and I will show you a screenshot from Lowe's. It's only $1.75 for a 1 by 2 inches by 8 feet long. This fairing strip will be equivalent to 4 pieces of that wooden sign. So you will need 2 pieces of this fairing strip to complete this project, in case you cannot find the seasonal wooden sign. You will also need 4 wooden boxes that they sell at Dollar Tree. Begin by removing the stickers at the back of your wooden signs. I'll be painting my project in white, and I'll be using this Rust-Oleum chalk paint. Starting off with the boxes, I'll apply 2 coats of paint. I'm avoiding the areas where I'm going to be connecting the wooden signs because sometimes they don't adhere well when they are on painted surfaces. So I'm painting the inner and the sides and the outer parts of the boxes. Since I needed 6 wooden signs, I have these 2 teal colored wooden signs, and then I'm going to be painting the top and the sides only in white to match the color of the other wooden signs as well as the boxes. I will not paint the bottom part or the printed part because I'm going to be using this at the very bottom part of the shelf, so you will not see the unpainted parts. I will be using this Gorilla wood glue to assemble this shelf because wood glue is better for wood projects. However, if you do not have wood glue handy, you can also use hot glue or even E6000, but I would suggest wood glue for better hold. Apply the wood glue on the surfaces of the unpainted areas in the inside of your boxes, including the 1/2 inch portion on the side where it aligns with the wooden signs. And then place your wooden signs. Apply enough pressure to adhere them better. Do the same thing with the other box, and then connect the other ends of the wooden signs to this box. This assembles your first or bottom tier. For the next tier, apply a generous amount of wood glue on top of the wooden boxes and connect the bottom of the other 2 boxes, 1 on each side. Apply a generous amount of wood glue again, repeating the same steps you did with the first pair of boxes. Do that to the inner portion where you will attach the ends of your wooden signs. I'm also applying additional wood glue at the ends of these white wooden signs to ensure a better hold. Then place the wooden signs on each end, applying pressure in order to ensure adherence. Now for the last tier or the 3rd tier, I'm applying a generous amount of wood glue on top of the boxes, and then I'm placing the last pair of wooden signs on top of it. And notice that there is a bigger gap in between because it's not going to be inside the frame of the wooden boxes. And here it is. I placed heavy items on the ends of each tier in order to put more pressure to dry overnight. This is an excellent home decor piece and also as an organizer, whether on top of the table, inside your cabinet, and many more. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone, and I'll see you again next week for another Thrifty Thursday. Bye!